I wanted to show y'all what the wig is looking like fresh out the box. This is the eye show hair, y'all. Before we get into this video, check out this lace, baby. This is a 13x4 transparent lace. As you can see, the lace is a little brighter than my hand. This is through eye show hair, you guys. I wanted to make sure I included this in the video before I got started. Look at these curls, y'all. I mean, it's really given for it to be something I didn't pay for. So, what's up, y'all? It's Teajae Nashae back with another video today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you ain't been here, like, comment, and subscribe. And even if you already been here, still like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can beat me here and be here. So let's get into it. I want to come talk to y'all about a hair review. This hair is actually from TEMU Hair. It was a free gift. I've been wearing it for about 3 days now. If that 3 days, it's been up for 3 days because I invited people to the app, and by inviting people to the app I got a smartwatch, and then I also got this free wig because I picked those two gifts. Yeah, so this is a 13x4 transparent HD lace frontal wig from ear to ear. So it comes all the way around, stops here, boom. So parting space, I think it goes about this far. I know it's life. This is my first time ever receiving anything from TEMU, not even just hair, just anything from there. And I give this hair a 10 out of 10. Like, I haven't put no products in it. It's beautiful. It is a 150 density kinky curly lace front wig. And it's a transparent lace. I had no problems laying this lace. It laid beautifully. I think I even messed up the cap method a little bit, and you can't even tell. It's some great lace, y'all. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. This wig, I think it's about $150 value. It's supposed to be 26 inches, but with the stretch, I don't think that it's 26. Or maybe it's probably like 24 after stretch. Definitely beautiful hair. I highly recommend. Came in like a packaging as such. I already took it out, but I keep these little baggies because they cute and you can stir your old wigs in them too. It came in this little package. Also came with a new cap, which is why I laid that bad boy down. Laid it down, sweet, simple. It's looking great. So I highly recommend y'all. I'm not a paid sponsored person. I don't get paid to do this. Everybody tells me I should be doing this, and they're like, go for it. Like, why aren't you're like sitting on talent? Oh, this is a TEMU wig, 13x4 lace front, transparent lace. The hair ain't dry, it's very live. I keep me like a little spray bottle like this. Guess what I do? Okay, it's giving that fast. Same thing with the other side. Okay, let me get up close so y'all can see. Free. And it's a TEMU wig. So TEMU is what it's called. I'm gonna link the link down in the description box below for y'all, so y'all can go get y'all wig. It probably ain't gonna be free because unless you invite people and you put that wig, do what the app tell you to do. But yeah, I'll be putting my little Lotta Body in it. It's a little foamy little spray, all moistured up and not dry. So keep you a little, a little Lotta Body. Keep you some conditioner in a little bottle like this with some water. And then y'all, if you really want like a real deep curl kind of like this and for it to stay that way, I use the Cantu leave-in conditioner cream as well. This is really good for curly hair. If you get some curly hair, kinky curly hair, you like it's dry, I don't really know what to do with it, it's hard to maintain, get you some leave-in Cantu conditioner. You don't need much. You only need about a little scoopful. Just that. Rub it in, put a little water with it. I don't know if y'all have ordered TEMU hair before, or if y'all didn't, probably already up on game on it, but I haven't been. This is new for me, and I will continue to order my hair from there because baby is giving bad itch. Like, okay. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I hope this hair review helped y'all, guided y'all in the right direction on where y'all can get some inexpensive hair for under $200, I'm sure, depending on whatever length you go with. Let me know if y'all try some TEMU vendors, what y'all thought about them, and y'all try this hair. Let me know what y'all think about it too. Yeah, I'll be back for more hair review videos and as they come and as I order them. So, thank y'all for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, sis, because this is gonna be a journey. I'll do another video. Let me know what y'all want to see next, what y'all want me to do next. This all about the baddies. So we're just gonna baddie on the budget, ball out, and help each other and give each other gems and you know, keep each other up on game, because if you ain't helping your sisters, what you doing? Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.